The next concept I would like to assist you with is, how do you swap two values? Well, the best way I can explain this to you is, let's assume we have milk in one glass and we have Coke in another glass. The last thing you'd want to do is mix the contents of milk and Coke. So let's assume this is my glass that contains milk, and this is my glass that contains the Coke. How do you go about swapping the contents without mixing the milk and the Coke? Well, the only way to do this would be to get a third temporary. We just need a temporary container. So we create this, or we get this temporary glass, and then we can start this process of swapping the values. I could start with the milk, or I could start with the Coke by putting them into the temporary one. So step one would be, let's take the milk and let's put that into the temporary container. So that's your step one. In doing so, this container that contained the milk is now free. So it allows me to then move the Coke into the container that contained the milk. It then frees up this glass that has the Coke. This would have been step number 2. And then I can take the milk. Remember, the milk is in this temporary container. I can then take that and move that into the container that has the Coke, that had the Coke. And that would be step number 3. So if we perform these 3 steps, we can then execute a swap. In Delphi, to swap 2 variables, you will execute them in exactly the same way. You would require 3 steps of introducing a temporary variable, and then taking a value like the milk, and then putting the milk into the temporary container, not the other way around. We will not say milk equals temp, because then you are saying, take the value in temp, which has nothing in it, and put it into the milk. That is incorrect. I hope this helps.